This video is going to show you how to do audio and video recordings directly into Schoology. Sometimes that you might use this tool is during a discussion or even an assignment. Sometimes it is easier to say your response than to write your response, and sometimes the teacher wants you to speak instead of write, or do a visual and audio presentation instead of writing. So let's see how to do that. Let's first try it out on a discussion post. So here we have a discussion post. Usually we would click in the box and type in our response to a discussion question. What we can do instead is type audio response and then go to this little microphone beneath. When I click on it, it's going to give me some options. I can record my response, which means it'll only be my voice, or I can do audio and video, so it's going to be my face and my voice. Either way, when I record something, audio or video, in fact, let's record one right now. I am now recording my response to the discussion. It'll upload what you've recorded. You insert, and right here is my inserted recording. Now, if I do not type in the box, this blue post button, it won't let me click on it, which is why I quick typed audio response here. That allows me to post my response. And here it is. Now, something to be aware of is these audio and video responses take a little time to be converted so that others can see and hear them. They are not available right away the way a written response would be. So if you see a message like this or these little green arrows, you know that your response isn't quite ready yet to be viewable. Let's go ahead and do a video response. So, same thing, I do need to type something in the box. This time, I'm going to do audio and video. This is my video response to the discussion post. All right, it's uploaded, so it's ready to insert. Again, this blue button will only be clickable if there's something written in the box. So now I've submitted an audio and a video. Now these are still converting. They're going to take a little bit of time before the teacher or the students can view them. So what we're going to do while they convert, we're going to see how we can use the same tool but in an assignment. So here's an assignment, and usually we're submitting something through Kami, or even it's a Google assignment, so it's connecting with our Google Drive. We've learned how to submit from our Chromebook. Now let's learn to use audio and video. So in this case, instead of doing the file option, we're going to click on that little microphone again. We have the exact same options we saw earlier. You take your pick, you record either your voice or your voice in camera, and you insert the recordings exactly like they did on the discussion. Now, I've already submitted a voice recording, so I want you to hear what it sounds like when the teacher plays it. Record your response for the teacher. Whatever you record will be submitted to the teacher, and that's what the teacher is going to hear. If you recorded the video as well, they would see what you recorded, kind of where that black area is on the screen. So there would be an image there instead. Again, these kind of tools are handy if you feel like it is better to show or voice your response rather than write it down. Teachers might request that you respond this way, or if you feel like you are a better speaker than you are a writer, maybe you request this as an option. If you have questions about the recordings, whether they're audio or video on Schoology, please be sure to email your teacher.